When I was still in government, there were several meetings with...
It's almost everywhere, to the point that you're consuming it without you even knowing it. Much like internet back then. So right now, back then, hindi growing yung call center agents. Yung specialized na mga tao. So AI engineer, AI researcher, that's what they do. Yung task during training sa computer vision. So, meron dito may filter. Di ba may filter na, like, tina-try nila yung color. The problem with that is, do you know with this layer, can you determine the car, person, or animal yan? No, right? Kasi pixel color lang yan. Now, as you train this further, I doubt sa robots, you're very far off, but the implications of this in the labor market is high. So, just to give you an example, sa una, in process automation, yan yung ginagawa ng mga companies. Parang you have a workflow, you have data, tapos may automation script. Script lang yun, tina-type lang na, may code lang na...
Ka lang aware. Ano mo ibig sabihin nito? Matagal mo nang nire-neglect yung AI. Akala mo GPT 5. Sino po dito ang naka-pro? Ano yung dapat na GPT kapag kailangan mo ng strategic opinion? Okay, next slide.